Hi guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this QIYI cube from Amazon. I really wanted a new 2x2 because this one is like really hard to turn, the one that I showed in my average AL12 one. So, my mom got me a new cube, and I wanted to get it from a cube shop, like the Cubicle or the Cube shop, but my mom forced me to get it. My mom got it from Amazon because she said, just get it from here. And she didn't tell me which one she ordered, but this is a surprise. But anyways, let's find out what this. So let me go and open this. I really don't want to rip the box. Okay. So I got it open. That was really hard, but looks like we got a manual for. Okay, this is just a tutorial how to really remove and all. And then we have the actual cube. Oopsies, I ripped it. Right here. And that's all that's in the box. Ooh, this feels kind of rough. But, yeah, it feels pretty good a little. It feels a little rough though. I mean, let me actually do a solve on this and a solve on the other cube and see which one is faster. Because I have a cubing competition to go to, and I want one of these to be my warm-up cube. So, this one might be my warm-up cube, and this one might be my main cube, or this one can be my warm-up, or this can be my main cube. But, like I got my iPad here. Alright. I'm using the cube app. No. Main session. Sorry about the time. Done. Okay. Oh. Okay, delete, done. Oh, come on. No idea. Alright, now let's get started. Wait. Okay, I'm going to be doing the same exact scramble on both of these cubes, so let's take a screenshot of this. And let me scramble this one. Wait, done. Okay, so first let's start with the old cube. This cube. So, U, R, U2, F prime, R, F prime, sorry, F, U prime, R prime, F. Oh, I got one side, but that doesn't really help. Okay, we're ready to start. Wait, why is this like this? It's like, it's such a weird scramble. Anyways, inspection, alright, I have this. can just... okay. Oh, come on. I'm not really good at this scramble. We might just do another scramble. Oh boy, is this the worst scramble? Kind of a little rough with this, but if it's soft ones, maybe you can head it. Alright, 31 on that same scramble. Alright. Now, let's go see the other scramble and scramble the other cube. Oh, ignore all of this. Okay. Okay. U R U2 F prime R F U prime R prime F. Looks like the same scramble. I like the coloring also. This is just exact same scramble. Alright, so let's go back to the app. Okay. Inspection time. Alright. Let's get started. It honestly feels pretty rough. Yeah, it is a lot rough. Yeah, this is... oh, okay. So now that makes it kind of worse. Yeah, I just lost my spot. Alright, we're just gonna say that one doesn't count. So I'm gonna redo that one. Actually, let's try doing a normal scramble. F2 or F2. Alright, this is pretty good. And now do the same thing on this cube real quick. R prime, F prime, R, U prime, 2, F, U2, R, F2. Okay, alright, looks like they're both the exact same. Yep, okay. So first, let's start with this cube. Inspection, I got the pair. Nice. Ooh, this is a good scramble. But with this cube, ooh. Maybe I can make it a little bit loose. Oh, shoot, I messed up. Oh no, I messed up! Alright, 34. Alright, now let's try doing it on this cube. Yeah, it's the exact same sample, so that's really the point of this. Well, let me just double check. Okay. Alright, I feel like this can be my main cube. It's just that, like, I feel a little bit more comfortable with this cube, so yeah, that'll be it for this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Bye!